How to link Square appointments to website. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can implement or you can insert your Square appointments schedule or calendar into a website such as Squarespace. So we are going to head over our website on Squarespace. For example, we are going to head over the pages and select the button edit where we want to add the button or the calendar integrated here. So I'm going to add a specific section dedicated to it. I'm going to choose a blank section like that, and here we are ready. Now we're going to be back on the square.com or squareup.com. Click on appointments, and then we're going to head over here, which is going to be mentioned online booking. Click on channels. So we're going to create a booking channel for the Square appointments from another website. So as you can see, we're going to have the booking channels. We're going to add the booking flow to an existing site. So we have a website. You can go ahead and have that for an existing site, Square Online site, Instagram, Google, and etc. Click on Get Started, and you can see that we have three options. Get your booking flow URL. So you're going to show your URL directly with your customers via SMS or email, which is going to be having here a URL directly. Also, you can have a button, as you can see, or embed a booking flow in your website. So I rather go not with the URL, but the create button or embed code. So the embed code is going to be the all-in-one flow in just, let's say, one click. I'm going to click on get code, get embed code. We're going to have it like this. Copy that, the HTML code. We're going to head over the website of ours. It doesn't matter if it is going to be Squarespace or Wix or whatever. We're going to add an embedded code here, place it to the middle, double tap on it. We're going to put the embed as code snippet, click on embed data, paste your code here, and you're going to see that the script is going to be disabled because we're going to be on the safe mode, but it doesn't matter. This is going to be a prevention from having the let's say codes displayed for the reason of having a trial, but it is going to be accurate and adding the calendar for the workflow or the flow from there. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.